Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. First, open your phone settings. From here, scroll down and go to Passwords. Now, tap on the search bar and search and go to Facebook. From here, you will get to see your password and your email if you saved it before. So that way, you can just use it from here. But if it's not saved, then you won't find it here. So another way you can follow is to go to your Instagram account. So first, open your Instagram app. From here, go to Profile on the bottom right. Now tap on Menu on the top right. Then go to Settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Now tap on Accounts on the bottom. Once you're here, you will get to see your Facebook account if it's connected. As you can see, all your accounts are right here. Now go back and then tap on Logging in with Accounts. From here, select your Facebook account. Now as you can see, your Instagram is connected to your Facebook. So you can use your Instagram to recover your Facebook password. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.